Hello everyone. In this part of the tutorial, we are going to make the mask itself to rotate around the character. So let's get started. So previously, we have done the spawn the mask around the characters, and the masks do not get affected like how the character moves or rotate, just like this. Alright. So next thing we need to do is like go to the blueprint mask over here, event graph. Alright. Since the next thing that we need to do is to okay, as you can see that there's a problem over here is that all the masks that there's some in this level is that as you can see that these masks just keep looking at one direction, and this is not what we need to do. So first thing we need to do is to let the master look at the character itself, like constantly, yeah. So we don't need this begin play or even actor begin play. All we need is this event tick. So to do this, we need to go to like cast to the characters that we are working on it. In my case, it's third person character. Third person character. Yep, there's the one. And next is drag to get player character. And next thing is we need to know where the character is, so that's why we need to get actor location as well as the location of the mask itself. Get the locations. Yep. And the next thing is there's one thing that we need to search for it is the find look get rotation. Yeah, and this is the nodes that we need for it. The starting point is the character itself. The target is no, sorry, it's the reverse. So the starting point is the mask itself, and the target itself is the character. So since we want the mask to keep looking at the character, so that's the reason why the starting point is the mask itself. The target is the character itself, and the rotation we just need to set already. I just type rotation. Let me see. Set actor rotation for here. And it compound and save, and let's test it out. Oh yeah, as you can see that although one good thing is that as you can see that the masks do not look at one direction. It looks okay. Okay, yeah, this how it looks like it. Do not let's not look at one directions. Okay, although there's one thing is good, the other thing is that the mask isn't looking at the character itself. So how do we fix it? It's actually easy. We just need to just edit the rotation just to modify the rotations itself. So since let's try to rotate like 90 degrees like this. Yep, this is how it looks like, but we want the mask to look outside instead of like this. So again, we just need to like rotate it like 180 degrees, plate it. Yep, this is how it looks like, and this is how it goes. Alright, since we already just succeed to make the mask to look outward like this, and the next thing is we just make it rotating around it, and it's really simple. Okay, first we need to save all it. Go back to third person character over here, event graph, and again we also need to like make make the mask keep rotating and rotating and rotating. So that's why we need event tick, and need to okay okay since the parent is set it as spring arm summon object, so that's why that the summon the spring arm summon object is at as a center point. So that's why we need to drag over here and add local rotation over here like this. Okay, since add local rotation is just make the spring arm components this to rotate around, but we also need to set up the values over there. Like is just treat it as a how fast that you want to rotate it. For example, like if I want to rotate it like 5 compound and say okay, split it. Yeah, that's how it goes. Yeah, if you think that it is a bit fast, it doesn't it's okay. Remember, you need to modify the z value over here. So if I press 1, yeah, this is how slow it rotates it. And if I want to just let's test for like 12 compound say, yep, this is how it goes. Alright, one last thing before I conclude the tutorial. So if you found out that there's some problems with it, you can just go back to the videos and check if anything that you have done wrong and just go ahead and correct it. So I think that's pretty much of this tutorial, and thank you for watching.